What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Evelina Chanel. For those who are new here, for those who are returning, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm just gonna show y'all my nightly skincare routine to show y'all how to get my nice glowy skin. And yeah, I'll list all products, of course, in the description below so y'all know everything I use in case y'all want to use them. Again, I'm not a dermatologist, so I'm not gonna recommend any products, but I will just show you what I use. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so first I'm gonna show y'all what I use to wash my face with. So I have my steamer. I got this off of Amazon. I'll try to link it below. And I fill that with distilled water. And then I have my Classicbeautyqueen brush, which they are currently they're not a company anymore. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. I got the deep pore cleansing brush. But I was trying to find a dupe for y'all. So if y'all want like a cleansing brush. And then I got I have the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. I use that with the Tea Tree Cleansing cleansing wash, and also Glycolic Acid by Badescu. For my, also I use the Grapefruit cleansing lotion as well. That is also by Badescu. I can't find, okay. And then of course I have the Even Tone Super Glow. That's by Urban Skin RX. I have the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid, and then I have the Badescu Vitamin C Serum, and then also I use the Urban Skin RX Retinol Rapid Repair Dark Spot stuff, and then I'm gonna be using the Urban Skin RX Acne. That's Acne and Blemish Control Mask. Okay, so just a quick disclosure, I am not a dermatologist, so I'm not gonna recommend these products. I'm just showing y'all that this is what I use to cleanse my face, okay? And I'm getting ready for bed, so I'm gonna wash my face now. All right, so first I start by steaming my face for about 5 minutes. That way I can open up my pores before I start cleansing it. And using my Classicbeautyqueen brush, of course, I get it wet first, and then the first cleanser I apply on my Classicbeautyqueen is going to be the Urban Skin RX Cleansing Bar, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So what I do is just swirl my brush around in it like that, just so I can get some cleanser on there. And then I go in with my tea tree oil. And then I use the glycolic acid. And I put that on there. And then I kind of like press that. I kind of press it in there like that. And then I get it wet again. And while I'm still steaming my face, I start to wash it. And the good thing about this brush is it does pulse every time like it's time to switch to a new location on your face. So first I start with like my forehead and stuff, and it's gonna pulse when it's time for me to go to my chin. I think you get 30 seconds for the forehead and chin, and then you get 10 seconds for each of the cheeks. And the good thing about this brush, like, I'm mad they don't sell them anymore, but time to charge it, it'll make that little noise that it just made when it cut off. When it's time to charge it, so I'm gonna charge that tonight. Then I rinse off. So after I rinse my face, I pat it dry. I pat it dry with a paper towel. Okay, so now that my face is all clean, I dried it and everything, I'm finna go in with the Urban Skin RX Acne and Blemish Control Mask, and I'm just gonna put that, of course, all over my face. Just like this, y'all. I would say too, like, if y'all don't drink a lot of water, you should. And I know somebody always be telling me, drink you some water. But I drink a lot of water already. And I'm gonna leave that on for 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so now that I rinsed that mask off my face and all that good stuff, so now I'm gonna go in with Mario Badescu. It's the Grapefruit Cleansing Lotion. I just get a cotton round like so. I grab 2 of them, make sure it's fully saturated, and I kind of squeeze them together so they can get on the one that's underneath. You're supposed to use this after you cleanse your face, so that's why I didn't put it on my brush. Okay, so now for the serums. The first one I use is the Urban Skin RX Even Tone, the Super Glow Serum. And I like to put that on, you know, while I'm still steaming my face so my pores can stay nice and open. And I just do it like that. Like pat it into my skin, not necessarily rub it. I will rub it, but I try to pat it in. And then I go in with my vitamin C oil by Mario Badescu. And now when I will rub and massage into my skin. And also I didn't tell y'all, but I keep a spray bottle of alcohol. I like to spray my hands with that before applying anything, just in case I have any additional oils on my hands. And then I go in with the ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. Like that. Yeah, that's to help fight wrinkles and stuff, so I tend to put that on my neck too, because baby, I don't want a wrinkly neck when I get older. Okay, and then I use the Urban Skin RX Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. I just take a little bit it up there. Dab it like so. And I only use that at night, y'all. Oh, my skin feels so good. It's real frosty, but I take my Jade roller and I just, you know, roll my face to close my pores and seal all those serums and moisturizers in. And I always roll up, never down, always up. And the small part, I always use on my eyes, on my eyes. It feels so good. Skincare routine. So of course I would say this is the final look, but yeah. This is the final look. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the vibe, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, okay? And of course everything will be listed down below. Again, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and